Right, for these kinds of problems, you really need to make sure you use brackets. Calculators don't understand BIDMAS, and so I'll show you how I would input this into the calculator to make sure I get the right answer. You see, I'm using the numerator, I'm putting brackets around that whole expression, then the division sign, and then the denominator. If you input it like that into your calculator, you will get the correct answer. So this is what it looks like on the screen, and of course when you do it, your calculator will probably give you an answer as a fraction, but they've asked us to display all the figures on your calculator, so you need to know how to convert a fraction into a decimal, and to do that you press this button SD, which I'll just indicate here. You see that SD button? That will do the job for you. Okay, so the question asks, just jot down everything we have in our calculator, and that's 2 marks, believe it or not. Okay, as for the second part, we've got to adapt our first part answer to give just 2 significant figures. Now, every number is significant except for a leading 0. 0 is nothing. Yeah. So I'm starting from 4, count 2, that's 4.5, but the 8 matters, the 800ths. So I need to round that 5 up to 6. Okay, so I'll just check the examiner's report, and you can see the mistakes were made where people didn't use brackets, and also the rounding up went wrong for a lot of students. So that's 2 areas to be wary of. Okay, on the mark scheme, and you can see we've got an M mark and an A mark. So an M mark means you have to show your working to get the, so I would write that expression down that I wrote down.